This guide will walk you through the process of creating and sharing a collection within Catenda, allowing you to package sets of files to share both internally and externally. First, CSS the Documents menu. Access the Collections submenu. Click on the plus button. Give a name to your collection. Click on Add Documents. Navigate through the project folders and select the documents you want to add to the collection. Click on the Submit button to create the collection. Add more documents if needed. Click here to share the collection with the project members. Confirm sharing the collection with the project. Choose to lock or follow the latest files revisions. In order to finalize and share a collection externally, you must choose the lock option. Proceed to finalize the collection. Confirm finalizing the collection. A ZIP folder containing all the files from the collection is being generated. Click here to double-check. Click here to activate a public link used to access and download the zip folder. Click here to open the public link in a new window. Click here to download the collection. In order to know who downloaded the collection, click here to share the collection via email. Enter the emails you want to share the collection with. Edit the subject and add an optional message. Click here to share the collection via email to all added users. You can see who downloaded the collection via the History tab, located on the right-hand side of the information panel. The guide covered the detailed steps to create, manage and share a collection in Catenda Hub.